you guys might be wondering who the hell am I, right? Because we made all these videos, we made like 25 videos or 30 videos, I've lost count, but we haven't actually properly introduced ourselves even once. In this video, we are going to do just that. So I'm Avil, I'm a businessman, like that is what I actually do. This thing that you see on camera, well, that is just my split personality disorder person coming out. I just show the very funny side of me because I know I'm too damn funny, and that is what I do in front of the camera. Try to be funny because my life is a joke. Oh fuck. Never mind. So anyways, that is what I do. I'm a businessman, and what you see on camera, that's just for fun. Everything is just fun, right? Like, you guys need to smile, be happy, have some great time, have fun, laugh a lot, and that is what we are trying to do with these videos. So before I go, big things are coming this year. We promise that will happen, and if it doesn't happen, it's okay. I promise the same thing next year, and hopefully it happens. And if it doesn't happen next year, then the year after that, doesn't matter. We just say shit, law of attraction, make shit work. So yes, we're going to do a lot of crazy things. We're going to ensure that this time we make videos which involves the community as well, so that people really enjoy those stuffs. And yeah, that is our 2021 resolution. Too much. I mean, I guess it's a little too much. But you always have to have big goals, only then you can actually do something about it. I know you guys are not used to these kind of videos. I mean, because we are trying out something extremely different. At least we believe that is what we are doing, and if we are not, come on.
Hi guys, it's me Sanjay. You might be wondering why there's a lot of food videos in our group, in our channel. I mean, it's because of me. I like to eat a lot, and when it comes to food, there's nothing. I like food. I met Rohit in kindergarten. I've been friends with Avil and Vignesh from fourth grade. Then again, and when it comes to Arjun is my cousin brother. And Vamsi is friend of Vignesh, and recently become really close to me. I do eat food a lot. I do eat a lot of foods. I mean, in large quantity compared to my other friends anyway. I'm not a fast eater. I'm definitely not a fast eater. I like to eat food at my own pace. Because I like to enjoy the food that I eat. I like to taste every single thing that they use, ingredients and other stuff like flavors, spices, everything. That's it.
Hi guys, my name is Arjun. I think it's 1 year since I came to Chennai. I studied in Delhi, so currently I'm unemployed. Yes, I'm unemployed. I'm doing a course in software testing, and I also eat like Sanjay, but I'm faster than you, as you know, guys. And that's it.
Hey guys, it's your friend Rohit, and I'm part of the Dudish group. I haven't been in a lot of videos lately, and I was there in the earlier ones, but I haven't been able to make it to these videos. Hopefully in the near future, I'll be joining them in making fun videos. The idea for the channel came from Avil basically. We all agreed because we were pretty bored, and the channel was born in April of 2020. Right before the pandemic. The first video was shot before the pandemic. We uploaded that on some date in April. I would like to thank our viewers for watching us all this while. You've been a very important part of our journey. We hope to keep making videos that are both entertaining and fun for not just us but for the audience as well.
Hey guys, this is me Vignesh, and I just wanted to tell you guys a little bit about myself. I'm an IT professional working at Amazon Development Center here in Chennai, and I've been working there for the past 1 year. I've been part of the Dudish group right from the moment get-go. It was basically me, Rohit, Avil and Sanjay coming together to form a group and start making videos out of it. The whole purpose of forming Dudish was to make people laugh, engage them in really weird, interesting and funny stuffs. What I basically think is that when people watch our videos, it's really essential for them to feel free, independent and happy, because that's what we are all about. Just like Avil said, there are a lot of we have a lot of plans for the channel for this year. I know for a fact that we aren't big yet. We'll be making it there pretty soon, and I just wanted to thank all of you guys for the continuous support. So this video was basically for us to formally introduce ourselves, letting people know who we are, where we come from and what we do for a living. I really appreciate the continuous support. I really appreciate the way each and every one of you guys have been sharing our videos and pouring in a lot of positive comments and letting us know what we have to improve on a daily basis. And yeah, that's been it. See ya. Peace.